Hi everyone, I'm Manoharan Rimon and I'm from Sri Lanka. Today I feel very proud and happy to graduate with a BBA degree from SRM-AP University. In these 3 years, I have learned a lot both in academics and non-academic activities. Over the time, I just started to see myself grow, not only in academics, but in confidence and communication and leadership. I have made many friends from many different countries. I'm truly happy for that. I would like to thank my department, Paris School of Business, especially Dean and HOD Dr. Lalit Mohan and my finance professor Dr. Veeravel sir and my classmates. I want to thank my parents for their support. I really enjoyed the hostel life. I want to say my juniors, don't miss any events, any clubs activities, any sport events here. And I really want to thank SRM-AP University, IR office, Student Affairs Department and CLM Department and everyone who gave us scholarship to study here. I'm proud to be a part of SRM-AP community.